We'll guide you through how to use Slimy Trello to manage your projects like a pro. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. You'll want to log into your account or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're on your Trello dashboard, you'll see your boards. To get started with Slimy Trello features, click on the board where you want to implement them. At the top of your board, you'll find the Power-Ups option. Click on it to access the Power-Ups menu. In the search bar, type Slimy and hit Enter. This will bring up the Slimy Trello Power-Up. Click Add to integrate it into your board. Once added, you'll notice new functionalities that Slimy Trello offers. These might include custom workflows, advanced card sorting, or enhanced collaboration tools. To use these features, go back to your board. Click on any card to open it, and you'll see additional options provided by Slimy Trello. You can now customize your card details with more precision, linking other cards, adding due dates, or assigning tasks with improved clarity. If you want to automate some processes, click on the Automations tab within the card. Here, Slimy Trello allows you to set rules that trigger actions based on specific conditions. This could be moving a card to another list when it's marked complete, or sending notifications when deadlines are approaching. Remember to save your changes. As you explore, keep an eye out for the Slimy Trello guide tips appearing on your screen. These are designed to help you maximize the use of its features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.